Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if this is your first video then welcome. Today I'm going to be doing another look using my Lime Crime Venus Immortalis palette, and that is this grey and silver halo eye look. Now I'm sorry for doing so many videos using this palette, but I'm just in love with it and I really wanted to do something that was a little bit more wearable. I did have a subscriber comment on one of my videos saying they just got the palette but it's a little bit out of their comfort zone, so I thought it would be a really good idea to do a more softer look using the palette, trying to stay away from that black. So I'm really happy with the way it turned out. It was quite easy to do. The grey was easy to blend out because it's a lighter shade, so it's definitely a good starting point if you just got this palette to test the waters a little bit and try out something different. I really like this look and I'll be doing it a lot probably in the future, so I hope you guys like it too. Yeah, enough talking. If you would like to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I've got my face makeup done, my eyebrows done, and I've got a white eyeshadow base on my eyelid. Now the first thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going in with this shade here called Ash and this domed crease brush, and I'm just going to be packing that into the inner and outer third of the eye. Next I'm going to be going in with this shade here called Cameo and popping that on a fluffy blending brush and just using that to blend out the grey a bit. Now I'm just going to be going back in with those same two shades and just deepening up the grey a little bit and blending it out again. Now I'm going to be adding in some shimmer, so I'm going to be taking this shade here called Hail and an all over eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to be applying this to the center of the eye and blending it into those two grey bits there. The next thing that I'm going to do, just to get that blend a bit nicer, is I'm just going to take that grey shade Ash and that same blending brush and just blend that into the silver a bit more. Now I'm going to take those same colours and do what I've done on the top of the eye on the lower lash line as well. So grey on the outer and an inner third, and then in the centre I'll do the sparkles. And I'm just going to be using the same brushes as before as well. Next I'm going to be going in with my Kat Von D tattoo liner and just applying a thin line of eyeliner. This is going to help disguise my lashes in case I don't get them quite on the lash line. This will kind of blend it together and just make it look a bit better. Next I'm going to be adding some highlight. So the highlighter that I'm going to be using is my Kat Von D Alchemist Holographic Transformer. This is Teal Aquamarine, and I'm going to be applying it with two different brushes. So the smaller brush I'm going to be using for my tear duct, my brow bone, the tip of my nose, my cupid's bow, and I'm also going to use that to just lightly go over the silver that I've got in the center of the eyelid. And then the fluffy blending brush I'm going to use for my cheekbones. Now on my lips I'm going to be taking my new favourite lip colour, which is this Tarteist lip paint, and this is in the shade Birthday Suit. Now the last thing left to do is apply mascara and lashes. So the lashes that I'm going to be using are these ones by the Shania Rose Collection. They're in the style Reminisce. It's hard to see because it's, there we go. I'm going to put these on off camera and then I'll be back to show you guys the completed look. Okay, so here we have the completed look with lashes. I'm a huge fan of this look. I really like the grey and silver. I've actually really never seen anything like this before that I can remember. I think it is a very nice, soft way to use the Venus Immortalis palette, which can otherwise be quite dark and scary. So yeah, I think it's a good kind of everyday look if you're into doing your makeup a lot, or else it can just be a simple going out look. It didn't take me very long at all, a minuscule amount of time in comparison to the other makeup looks that I do. So this is definitely something I'm going to be doing a lot with this palette just in my everyday life. Yeah, I'm sorry for doing so many videos using this palette, but once I find a palette I like, then I just can't stay away from it. So I wanted to do something a little bit different, but I also wanted to incorporate this palette. So I hope you guys liked the video. If you did, then please thumbs up and subscribe and tick that little bell button so that you can get notified every time I post a new video. I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next one.